Cambridge international exams have been cancelled, and now what are few questions that are basically in the minds of most of the students as well as in the minds of the parents. So we are going to discuss these queries. Number one is, what will be the grading process of the Cambridge? Question number two is, how private candidates will be graded? Question number three is, will the grades awarded by schools be final? And question number four is, when the result will be announced. So in this video we are going to share with you whatever the Cambridge has shared till now. So here is the details about how GCSEs, AS and A levels will be awarded this summer. Exam boards will ask schools and colleges to provide center assessment grades for their students. Now, this center assessment grades will be awarded by taking into account the full range of available evidence, like classwork, like mock exams, like any assignments, will be the part of evidence. Now, exams board will be contacting schools, colleges and other exam centers asking them to submit number 1, a center assessment grade for every student in each of their subject. Then the center or school or college has to submit the rank order of students with each grade for each subject. And the third thing is a declaration from the head of center making the submission. This is how the candidates that are part of school, colleges or other exam centers will be awarded grades. Now what about private candidates? As far as private candidates are concerned, heads of centers have been asked to provide center assessment grades for private candidates registered to take exams with their center. These private candidates should have been assessed by the respective centers throughout the time that they spent with those centers, for whom a center assessment grade is not possible. It may unfortunately be necessary for some to take exams in autumn or next summer to get their grades. That is related to private candidates. And that is because for all the private candidates it is not possible to get center assessment grades, especially in Pakistan. So those candidates will be appearing in autumn or next summer to get their grades. Now, are these center assessment grades final? No. All the center assessment grades will be going through a process of standardization. That may include the result of school or college in recent years. So, exam board will be going through that. The past performance of school and colleges. Now, if grading judgments in some schools and colleges appears to be more severe or generous than others, so exam boards will adjust the grades of some or all of those students upwards or downwards accordingly. So center assessment grades submitted by the centers will not be final. And the last thing is when the result will be announced. The result won't be delayed after the dates they were expected in August. In fact, the result may come earlier than expected. So this is the information up till now that is shared by the Cambridge International Examinations. Thank you so much.